Now we are going to have a masterclass presented us by Grow with Ms. C. Rachna Ranade. The masterclass for the first time in SRCC Business Conclave. C. Rachna Ranade was born in Pune, Maharashtra, has proven her merit in various fields as an entrepreneur and a chartered accountant, a teacher, and a YouTuber. YouTuber over 2 million subscribers, has built a fortune by decoding stock market jargon. She is now India's #1 stock market trainer who has aimed to improve the financial literacy of the India. Her content delivery is coherent and her style is lucid. She has influenced so many young minds and with her wisdom and passion and taught lakhs of students. For all the stock market enthusiasts, listening to her is a blessing. We present you the masterclass on Gambler's Fallacy, stock market, presented us by Crow. Thank you so much, ma'am, for this masterclass, for joining us. Thank you so much. Over to you.
Hello, everyone. Just tell me, Amrita, if I'm audible, so that
yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Perfect.
You're perfectly fine.
Perfect. So thanks a lot for that wonderful introduction. Before I proceed, I just wanted to ask if I can take some poll because I would be wanting to ask certain questions. Just to know whatever are the answers of the students, it would have been a good way to interact, if possible. Any idea?
Yeah, 1 second. Let me check.
Sure.
Sure, ma'am. What would you like to ask in particular?
So whenever I would be talking about the gambler's fallacy, I would want to know the opinions of the participants. It would be more or less like yes, no, A, option B, something like that.
Sure, ma'am. I think that won't be a problem.
Okay, cool. So I will be just mentioning that I want everyone to answer whether A or B, and that's where you'll be able to host a poll to them, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Thanks a lot. All right, then. I think without wasting a lot of time, let's start with a very interesting topic, which is about the gambler's fallacy in stock market, okay? Or stock market and the gambler's fallacy, whatever you want to call. To be very honest, I feel that many of you might not be really aware about what do we really mean by gambler's fallacy, okay? So instead of jumping directly into stock market, instead of jumping directly to what is gambler's fallacy, I personally believe that we should understand this entire topic with the help of more and more of examples. Okay, the more examples you understand, the more clarity in thought you're going to get, right? So here is what I'm going to ask you as a question. Let us take a case that I have a coin in my hand. I flip the coin. Okay. Obviously, everyone knows that there are only two possible outcomes, either heads or tails. We are not talking about a Bollywood movie that the coin will stand like this. Okay, that's not going to happen. Neither this is a coin of Sholay that only a specific head or a tail is going to happen. It's a normal coin. Okay. So if I were to ask you that, what is the chance of a head appearing after I flip the coin, or what is the chance that a tail will happen? So what do you feel? Will it be like 50-50%? Yes or no? I just want a yes or no answer. I'll repeat my question. If I flip a coin and if either a head or a tail were to appear, what will be the percentage probability? Will it be 50-50%? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Now, I would not. Acha, you have to all panelists is what is being asked. Is this how we are going to go ahead with the questions? Because there'll be a lot of questions coming up.
Yes, ma'am. We have answered in the Q&A also.
Now this is good. I'm getting. This is a fantastic thing you're doing. I would need this. Very nice. Okay, now 130, 150 people have answered the questions. What is the chance of a head or tail appearing if I flip a coin? Very nice way to present it. Good. Okay, I guess more than 50% people have now answered the question, and almost 98% people have given the correct answer that if I flip a coin, then there are just 50% chances that either a head will appear or a tail will appear. Now, please don't ask me why. This is basic theory of probability. Okay, we have been learning this since our school days. Okay, so if you don't know this, maybe you might have kept this for option in your school. So better ask your math teacher, why would this happen, right? Okay, now with this first simple question, now I'll update the information for you. Okay, now listen to the updated question. Updated question is that the event is the same. I'm going to flip a coin. Okay, but the additional information is that let's say we are playing a game of 10 times I'm going to flip a coin. Okay, 9 times it has happened. Okay, 9 times it has happened that I got tail in a row. So out of 10 times, 9 times I've got tails. Now, what do you think is the chance? What will happen in the 10th? What will happen in the 10th flip? What do you think? Will it be a head or will it be a tail? If I can get that again as a question which is appearing as a poll. I'll repeat the question for the new poll to start. I'm again same, event is same. I'm flipping if flipping a coin, it is out of 10. But the additional information here is that out of 10 times, 9 times I've flipped right now. 9 on 10 I've gotten a tail. Question is, what do you think will happen with the 10th one? So what will happen with the 10th flip? So options will be either a head or a tail. If you can put that as a polling question. What will happen in the 10th flip, head or tail? It is okay even if we wait till the poll gets updated, because that's when we are going to get a real interaction. So the question which is being asked is, what is the chance of a head or a tail appearing if I flip the coin? No, your answers, your options should be head, tail, not yes, no. The one who is putting the poll, the 10th time, what will happen? That should be the question. What will happen with the 10th one, head or tail? That should be your poll options, not a yes or no. Could you please revise the poll?
Sure, ma'am. We're just doing that.
Cool. So till they are revising the poll, let me quickly tell what we have done till now. We are talking about the gambler's fallacy, but I've not told you the meaning right now. I'm not doing a spoon feeding. I want you all to think about it. And once you think about it, you will automatically understand what is the gambler's fallacy. Okay. My first question that I'd asked is that if I were to play a game of 10 times I'm going to flip a coin, what is the chance that a head will come or a tail will come? It's a 50% probability, right? Second question for which the poll is being updated is that if I flip the coin for the 10th time, what will be the result? Will it be a head or will it be a tail? And what has happened is that first 9 times out of 10, first 9 times it was a tail. What do you think will happen in the 10th one? That is a question. I guess the poll is being updated. We'll wait for another 30 seconds, 45 seconds, 1 minute. Fantastic. Here's the question for you. What is the chance of a head or a tail? No, again, the poll is closed. I need the options as head or tail. Don't put it as yes or no. चलो मैंने पैनलिस्ट को भी थोड़ा सा काम पे unnecessarily उनको बेचारों को थोड़ा सा दौड़ा रही हूँ. I'm sorry for that. But then I feel that this is such an interesting topic that if it is more interactive, then it will be fun. Ronak, is there a problem that you can't put anything other than yes or no?
Ma'am, we're just having difficulties in releasing it. We'll just do it in the next 30 seconds.
Okay, मतलब yes no के बजाय आप change कर पा रहे हो, right?
Right.
Perfect. We'll please wait for some time and we'll give the due time to the panelists. चलो participants तो नीचे बढ़ रहे 677. When I started, it were around 610, 12. I am the host now. Okay.
Hello, ma'am. Since you're the host now, I think you can access the option for polling. So you can frame your own questions and put in the options as you desire.
Okay, so how shall I add the question? Shall I say relaunch polling?
Ma'am, there might be an option for editing the current poll or possibly adding a new question to it. Is there?
Currently, I can just see share result and relaunch polling. Only 2 options.
All right, I see. Okay. Okay, host and manage account, fine.
If there is a question of add, if there is something like add question, something like that.
Okay, ma'am. I believe if you could grant me back the access, I will do it. Try to configure it from my end again. That's possible.
How do I give you the access, if you can tell me?
Yes, ma'am. If you can just go to the participant section, you will find me there on the ID with SRCC Business Conclave.
Okay, 1 minute. Find participants, SRCC Business Conclave, yes.
Yes, ma'am. And then you click on the more option and make me as the host.
Make host. Yes.
Thank you,
One
ma'am. I'll just launch the poll right now.
Perfect. Thankful to all the participants for patiently waiting. And sorry to the person who is handling all this. He's saying, what a pain.
Not at all, ma'am. Really sorry for the inconvenience.
No,
sir.
that's okay. I mean, I thought this would be more interactive. I'm sorry to bother you at the last time.
No, not at all. We'll surely try to figure this out. We find it equally fascinating as well.
Perfect. SRCC के बच्चों, जब तक सर जी ये पोल डाल रहे हैं, तब तक आपके दोस्त जो अभी भी शायद सोए रहेंगे, क्योंकि अभी तो सिर्फ 12:30 बज रहे हैं ना, तो बहुत सारे लोग अभी भी सो रहे होंगे, तो उनको बोलो थोड़ा सा आ जाए चैट पे, आ जाइए सेशन देखने के लिए, थोड़ा बहुत नॉलेज बढ़ेगा, कुछ अलग सीखने को मिलेगा। कई बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं कि जिनका सुबह चालू होता है अराउंड 2 बजे दोपहर को। सो अगर जस्ट इन केस आपके फ्रेंड्स सोए हुए अभी तक, तो उनको बोलो थोड़ा सा, अगर पॉसिबल है तो आ जाए।
Ma'am, can we use the chat box until we just figure this part out?
Will do, not an issue.
Thank you, ma'am.
So those who want to answer this question can just directly send chats, right? I guess
Right, ma'am.
Shrishti Thakur has already sent a chat with head. If you can send me your answers via chat till they are able to figure out the polling thing. Yes, Ronak says that, hey guys, you can use this. Absolutely, you can put in your answers. So just in case if you forgot the question in the meantime, I'll quickly update the question for you one more time. That if I'm now playing a game of flipping the coins again, okay, out of 10 times, 9 times, okay, out of 10, 9 times it has been a tail. What do you think will happen in the 10th time? Will it be a head or will it be a tail? If you can just type your answers in the chat. Tail, head, tail, head. 50% chances. Both can happen. Tail, head. Many heads coming up. 50-50, both. Okay, head. Maximum I can see possibility number 1, people are saying head. Others are saying 50% chances. Kuch bhi ho sakta hai. Okay. Fair enough. Thanks a lot for your answers, guys, in the chat box. I'm happy that everyone is very much alert. Everyone is wanting to answer the questions. Fantastic. Okay, perfect. So I guess many of you have given either of the two answers. Very few people said tail. कि 10 में से 9 बार tail तो already आ चुका है. अच्छा रौनक, one more quick question. Is it okay if I use Hindi in between? Students would be understanding Hindi very nicely, right?
Yes, ma'am. I think that would be fine from our end.
Perfect. Okay, nice. चलो, so again going back to the problem, अभी जितने बच्चों ने भी आंसर किया, majority of them said that it will be either a 50% chance or it would be a head. Number of people who said tail again was like very less. अभी ये थोड़ा सा अपना psychology समझने की कोशिश करो. Try to understand the psychology. Okay. This entire topic which we are discussing today, gambler's fallacy, it's more about the psychology that The psychology is that 9 out of 10 times, if a tail already has happened, then ab kuch to alag hoga, something different will happen. And that is why we tend to believe that maybe in the 10th time, now at least we will get ahead. Okay. So in simple words, what does gambler's fallacy means? Gambler's fallacy is something like, we can understand it something like that because something has happened for a long time, something has happened back to back for a long time, we believe, our mind believes that it will reverse soon. Okay. So I'm sure that we have been taught back in our school days, tit for tat. One guy is being bullied by others for a long time. 9 out of 10 times he'll get bullied, but 10th time he will be the one who will overpower those who are bullying him. Tit for tat is what we were taught in school, and in college days we were taught apna time aayega. Correct. So what is that apna time aayega? Apna time aayega is nothing but because I was underperforming for a long time. Apna time aayega is nothing but now there is a time of overpowering. Okay. So that is the exact meaning of gambler's fallacy, that if something has happened for a long period of time, our mind believes that enough, now something else will happen. Okay. Now to have this more clear in your mind, I guess majority of you might have understood this, but let us understand the same concept with the help of one more example. Okay. Now you only tell me which one has a better chance. Okay. Please pay attention, everyone. You have to give me answer as case A or case B. Okay. Case A is the answer or case B is the answer. You have to tell me. What do you feel that, assume that there is a bowl which has 1 to 50 numbers. Okay. Say badges hai chote chote. Okay. Sikke hai chote chote. That har ek ke upar likha hai 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. It's a bowl which has 50 numbers written in it. I am allowed to draw this 5 times. Okay. I pick up a number. I read the number. I put it back in the bowl. Okay. What is the chance that A will happen or B will happen? Possibility number 1, I draw number 2, put it in the back, I put it back in the ball. Then I draw number 13, I put it back. I draw number, let's say 25, I'm saying it at random, okay? I draw number 31, I draw number 43. In simple words, I drew 5 numbers from the bowl and they were random. So number 2 आया, फिर उसके बाद 13, उसके बाद whatever 25, उसके बाद 30, 31, whatever I said, उसके बाद 42, 43, whatever I said. Okay. So that is what was drawn. This is what happened in case A. Okay. In case A, out of 50 numbers, this is what the selection of numbers came out. Okay. Now case B, understand. What happens in case B? Case B mein, I again choose a number from the ball. It's 4. I put it back. Again, I choose one number. That's 4 again. I put it back. Third time I put it, number 4 again. I put it back. Fourth time, number 4. I put it back. And fifth time also, number 4. And again I put it back. So what do you think will happen? Happening ka chances, what do you feel? Do you feel that number, possibility A, case A, where all different numbers come up, okay, from the ball, will that happen? Uska probability zyada hai. Ya case B, where the same number comes up from the ball, uska probability zyada hai. What do you feel? Probability wise, what can happen? A or B? A. Now everyone is saying A. There are some people who are saying case B. A. Chalo, theek hai. Chalo, majority of you are still saying that there is a great chance that B आने का chances तो बहुत कम है, but A वाला आने का chance ज़्यादा है. Okay. Now I hope you're understanding the trick question here. This is a trick question. Ki B, now who is this? Aryan Sharma says, Ayushi Singhal also saying, both are same. Anshuman Chandal says, both, probability for both is saying. Rishabh also says this, same probability. Guys, understand this. We have been taught this in school. Okay, we have been taught this in school, that any number, now this is math, any number which is drawn from a bowl has 1/50 probability. Correct, na? I'm teaching you a little bit of maths. Then only you will understand the gambler's fallacy. Any number which is being picked up from the bowl, what is the probability that this will happen? 1 by 50, that is the probability. Do you agree with me? Yes or no? I want answers in yes or no in the chat box. Any number to be being picked up from the ball. What is the probability? 1 by 50. Absolutely everyone is saying yes. Ab 4 number will come up. Or 1 bar 2, 1 bar 3, 1 bar 5. See, anytime I'm drawing it from the ball, it is 1 by 50. Anytime it is 1 by 50. At any given point of time, it is 1 by 50. I hope you're understanding this. But then why did people say that chances of A happening is more? That is where our mind starts playing games with us. That is where the thought process कि यार हर बार थोड़ी ना वैसे होगा, every time same thing will not happen. Okay, so that is where we come to the point where in fact there was a study that showed that once a number is drawn, player choose that number less frequently. Abhi in simple, ये last वाला नहीं समझा तो it's okay. In simple words I'll tell you, we start getting an intuition. Okay, ये intuition वाला game आ गया. Please understand, stock market is not only about analysis, it's not only about research, it's also a mind game. Okay, why am I telling you all non-finance examples first? Because they are comparatively easy to understand. एक बार ये example समझ में आ गया ना, तो stock market वाला example तो बहुत फट से समझ में आएगा. Correct? So that is the intuition. यार थोड़ी ना हर बार 4 आएगा. Every time it will be different. अपना time आएगा. Every time it will be different. Now I'll give you one cricketing example. Okay, all the cricket fans out here, I'm sure you might be watching IPL. Can you remember something what had happened in 2019 IPL? Something had happened with Virat Kohli and tosses. Anyone can recall what had happened with Virat Kohli? Was he winning tosses or was he losing tosses? Yes, people are giving the answers. He was losing tosses. And yes, so many people are IPL lovers also. Good. How many tosses did he lose back to back? Anyone remembers a number? How many times did he lose back to back? अब अलग अलग numbers आ रहे. 6, 7, 8, 7 to 8, all tosses. Very good. ये तो पक्का कुछ और बनेगा all tosses वाला. 6, 7, 8, 5 to 6. I guess only 1 or 2 people had mentioned this. 9. Now right now SVC someone says 9. अंतरिक्ष says 9. ये लोगों ने लेट आंसर किया तो इन्होंने पक्का पहले गूगल किया है फिर बाद में 9 आंसर बता रहे है ना. Okay, chalo. So now let us understand what is this now. In fact, you can just Google this out. Okay, yeah, exactly. Nityanand says that अभी भी जो India versus England चल रहा था. By the way, I am also a big cricket fan. Okay, India versus England जो अभी चल रहा था, उसमें भी he had lost so many tosses. Okay, so it's in his blood maybe of losing tosses. Okay, so you can just Google this out whenever time permits. When 2019 IPL happened, when he lost the 9th toss in a row, back to back in a row, he looked at the dressing room and he has pointed this 9th bar. Abhi to kya karu main, 9th time back to back I have lost the toss. You can easily Google out this image. Aapko image mil jayega aaram se ki 9. He says that. Okay. Now tell me. Okay, ma'am loves Googling. I love Google. Google is my guru. Whatever I learned in school, whatever I learned in college, maybe a little bit more than that, Google has taught me. I think every person has to remain a student for the entire life. College jitna sikhayega wo sikhayega. College will build your base. But if you want to go one step beyond, if you want to prove that you are different from others, see, till college everyone learns, na? So you all are at par. How are you different from others? If you want to be different from others, even if your college is over, you still have to believe that you are a student. And that's when you will get that extra advantage, that extra knowledge, right? Chalo, फटाफट अभी आंसर चाहिए मुझे. विराट कोहली lost 9 tosses in a row. अब गलत आंसर नहीं देना है. Please, everyone has to give a correct answer now. Okay. Now tell me, in the 10th toss, what is more probable? Will he win the toss or will he lose the toss? What will happen in the 10th? Or अभी फिर भी कोई बच्चे नालायक गलत आंसर दे रहे. Still many people are saying that 10th toss to obviously win. Why? Gambler's fallacy. That's what we fall for. Out of 10, 9 tosses so he has lost, na? So 10th toss to jeetega. That is gambler's fallacy. And I'm very happy that majority of you all are now giving me a correct answer, 50-50. Okay? Very happy, very happy. Because this is the time that many people are really giving me the correct answer. Okay, so someone said that ma'am lekin actually mein he had won the 10th toss. Now abhi wo maine google nahi kiya hai ki 10th toss mein kya hua tha, but the whole point is that what will happen in the 10th time, that is that this is where actually the gambler's fallacy, we have to remain away from that, we have to keep our mind in place, don't fall for that. Okay, so I guess everyone is loving cricket ke examples. I'll take one or two more cricket ke examples. I hope no one will mind. Okay, abhi anyways we are on IPL. This is again seriously a coincidence that this is again a Virat Kohli's only example. I can, maybe Virat is one of my favorites, that's why I can recall more and more of Virat Kohli's examples. I'm sure he plays, I'm sure everyone knows that he leads team RCB. Okay, and everyone, there is this, you know, I guess Chennai has this whistle podu. The Chennai's tagline is Chennai whistle podu, right? So for RCB also, there is a tagline. Anyone knows what is the tagline? Someone said it was that. Oh my God, the chat went very fast. But that person had given the correct answer. I don't know how to pronounce it, but "Is saal cup namde" is something like that. "Is saal cup namde" means what? This time at least the cup will be ours. "Is saal cup namde." Okay, is what I believe, because it was happened that because we have failed to win that cup till date. Acha, this is saal to jitenge. What is this? इतने साल से हारते आए, we have been losing for such a long time. यार इस साल तो जीतेंगे, at least this time we will win the cup. Now who can give me what is the term for that? That is what we have been talking for the last half an hour, guys. I want a correct answer. 50-50 agreed. Yes, Shivangi told it. This is gambler's fallacy. This is gambler's fallacy. Everyone, very good. See, I'll tell you. Otherwise, what happens is that many a times people ऐसे हो जाता है यार, पूरा लेक्चर खत्म हो गया, एक फील गुड फैक्टर तो आ गया, मजा आ गया यार, आज तो एकदम फुल मजा आ गया, बट एट द एंड समवन आस्क्स यू बैक होम दैट अरे बहुत खुश लग रहे हो, क्या हो गया? अरे आज बहुत मजा आ गया सेशन में. व्हाट वाज द सेशन ऑन? यू टेल गैम्बलर्स फैलेसी, एंड देन योर पेरेंट्स विल आस्क व्हाट इज गैम्बलर्स फैलेसी. वो नहीं समझ में आया, बस एग्जांपल समझ में आ गया लेकिन वो नहीं समझ में आ गया. ऐसे होना नहीं चाहिए ना. You should understand what is gambler's fallacy. Now you're telling me the correct answer now. That just because yes. People are laughing also. Lols and whatever. Gambler's fallacy समझ में आ गया. Very good. Arpit says that. Right. Perfect. So सट्टा मत लगाना भाई. Okay. So what is the gambler's fallacy? Because we have been losing for so many years. इस साल कप नमड़े. Whatever this time at least we are going to win it. That is the gambler's fallacy. Now opposite example for Mumbai Indians. Okay, for Mumbai Indians, I'm sure many, I don't remember the exact stats, but out of 7, I guess, whatever XYZ, whatever number of out of whatever number of IPLs, whatever have happened, I guess 4 or 5 times they've won. Correct. Now if you 5 times, people are telling 5 times. 5 times out of how many? Total how many IPLs have happened till date? 13. Acha. 11, 13. Okay. 5 on 13. That's still a good score, right? So now when Mumbai Indians was winning in a row, ki chalo, I guess शुरुआत में तो काफी बार जीते थे Mumbai Indians. And again, if someone asks who will win, so people would say, Mumbai Indians has won so many times. This time Mumbai Indian will not win. And they had won. Then next year, people would say, अरे अभी तो 2 बार जीत गए, अब तो नहीं जीतेंगे, and still Mumbai Indian won. Okay, again, I hope you're understanding. Now I'm sure everyone has understood that people are saying Mukesh Ambani, or it might be that granny who was praying for Mumbai Indians. You remember there were so many memes which happened. Many memes happened on that granny as well, who was praying. Right? Okay, so maybe because of her as well. Gambler's fallacy, absolutely. Dadi Ma ka Ashirwad, gambler's fallacy, absolutely. Right? So now we have to understand that this, why Mumbai Indians was winning. Now let's come to the core point. See, again, you might believe, yaar, abhi tak to stock market aaya hi nahi, because understanding direct example of stock market would have been a bit difficult. That's why I thought let's try to take some other examples. Then stock market wala example I bet you are going to understand in 2 minutes. Sab log fatafat correct answer dene wale. Okay, so now let's understand that you need to analyze why Mumbai Indians was winning. Was it because of the opening batsman? Was it because of the middle order? Were they finishing up really well? Did they have good all-rounders? Did they have nice fast bowlers? So we have to try and understand that what is the reason behind it. Okay, so by the way guys, if you know this, there is something known as behavioral finance. Okay, this is what is related to our behavior. Okay, this is a mind game, and I believe that stock market has a lot to do with the mind game. It's got a lot to do with our behavioral patterns, investor emotions. Okay, especially if you're going to be a trader and not an investor, then I believe that your emotions are super important. Even if you do correct research, ekdam 100% correct research, but if your emotions come in between, it's going to be a losing game. Okay, now I'll tell you, now that we have understood this very well, let's come to our stock market example now. Okay, so I'll give you an example that assume that you have already invested in one of your favorite stocks. And which is your favorite stock? Yes Bank. Agreed? Because there are so many people that when Yes Bank was around 400, 450, if you track the markets, you might understand what I'm telling you. When Yes Bank was around 450 rupees, it came down, down, back to back. So many days it was falling. Now link it with IPL examples, link it with whatever examples we have taken. Okay, it went down and down and down. You should, 9 days back to back, Yes Bank has fallen. I'm going to enter now. Okay, 9 days back to back, Yes Bank has gone down. Up to 10th day, though it will go up. 10th day, though it will go up. Gambler's fallacy. Okay, that is where people are going to make a mistake. Okay, people will enter Yes Bank. Okay, now what happened from 400? It has come down to 300. Now people will now enter here. Okay, still the stock goes on correcting. It goes down and down and down. Let us say it's been almost 1 month. Out of 1 month, only 3-4 days it went up. Baki it went down. Now what will people? अरे एक महीना तो नॉन स्टॉप नीचे जा रहा है, barring 2-3 days. अब तो ये ऊपर जाएगा. It has come down from 400 levels to 200 levels now. And people will say, now to it will reverse, no? So people again invest. Then it again comes down and down and down and down, and people feel up to karenge na, itna niche aa gaya hai. Correct. So people, GameStop case and whatever, the Big Short, whatever. Yes, absolutely. We are taking just one small example. Whenever a stock is going down, that is where why people enter falling stocks. You know that stock is falling down, still people will enter. Why? Gambler's fallacy. They believe that इतने टाइम से तो नीचे आ रहा है ना, अब तो ऊपर जाएगा. Are you guys able to correlate my non stock market examples with stock market example? Are you able to correlate? Yes, fantastic, very good. That is what the entire thought process was. See, अगर मैं directly S Bank पे jump करती थी ना, शायद वो समझ में नहीं आता था. Okay, that's why I took more and more examples. अब देखो नीचे जा रहा है, and people will say that, okay, now up to ऊपर जाएगा. This is the biggest mistake people do in stock market. Biggest mistake. They will keep on averaging bad stocks. They'll keep on averaging कि अब तो ऊपर जाएगा यार, अब तो ऊपर जाएगा यार. And सबसे घटिया shares जो रहेंगे, घटिया is, see, I'm not saying Yes Bank घटिया है या नहीं है. मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ? If you feel fundamentally the stock is not good, okay, fundamentally stock is not good, but because मैं कैसे हार सकती हूँ यार? मैंने लगाया वो पैसा तो जीतना ही चाहिए. How can I go wrong? I had done my own analysis. I felt, दिल से अंदर से आवाज आई थी यार कि मार्केट ऊपर जाएगा. Utkarsh says Bhangar stocks. That is what we call in Marathi, Bhangar. Okay. So all these stocks, Reliance Communication, Reliance Natural Resources, all these are like stocks which are infra. It's, I guess majority of will be like Anil Ambani stocks only. I hope none of the Anil Ambani fans is sitting here in the session right now. What a fun idea! Absolutely. So this is what happens with stocks which are not fundamentally good. Okay, they'll just keep on going down, 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 and all those who have already invested in that, gambler's fallacy will work, and they will unfortunately, they will actually average in those stocks which they should have stayed away from. Okay, and that is what I believe is most important. That is where your emotions should not come in between. The pain of loss, understand this very carefully. 2 minutes pay 100% attention. The pain of loss far exceeds the pleasure from gains. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? Pain of loss far exceeds the pleasure from gains. Correct na? Pain of loss को अभी मैं कैसे, now you can compare this with your friends in your friend circle. Okay, all boys who are there, and take two cases of boys. एक को आज उसके गर्लफ्रेंड ने धोखा दे दिया है, pain of loss, and compare that धोखा with आज एक किसी लड़के को किसी लड़की ने हाँ बोल दिया है, उसका पेन ऑफ, उसका प्लेजर, किसी लड़की ने हाँ बोला, उसका प्लेजर करो कंपेयर विद एक बंदे के साथ जिसका आज ही ब्रेकअप हो गया है. Whose emotions will be more severe? जिसका आज ब्रेकअप हो गया है, his emotions, दुख, शायद people are laughing. They are getting that. दिल को छू रहे examples. Right? See, that is why I am telling you that the pain of loss far exceeds the pain, the pleasure of gain, and that is why you have to stay away. Three Idiots ka results ka scene, absolutely. Okay, so coming back to our discussion, very important. It's a very, very common trap. Investors fall into this trap. They're driven by emotions. Okay, so an investor at times commits such a big sum to such nonsense stocks that it becomes very difficult for him to recover his losses. It becomes difficult for him to recover his base capital also. Correct? And then many a times we give reasons like, but अच्छी कंपनी तो थी ना, मैंने स्टडी किया था, मैंने खुद स्टडी किया था. Okay, just because you had studied it does not mean that it was a good stock. Can our analysis go wrong? The moment you start believing that I am bigger than the market, gone. Okay, market is always supreme. We are just students. Okay, I believe that whatever I know little bit about stock market, I still believe I don't know everything about stock market. The moment I feel I am supreme, the moment I feel that I know everything about stock market, dead, I am going to lose out my money in next few days. Okay, so you have to very well understand that your emotions and your actual analysis should absolutely be separate. Okay, emotions ही मार खाएंगे पूरे आपकी investing में. And when I was trying to make do some preparation for this session, I came across a very nice quote by Mr. Parag Parikh. Okay, those who already invest in stock market, you might have heard about Parag Parikh's mutual funds. Okay, Parag Parikh says this, that don't get married to your stocks. I think this is again one very nice thing that I came across. PPFS, yes, 169 Darshan says it. PPFS is one of the most famous mutual funds these days, and he has said it, that don't get married to your stocks. Don't get emotionally attached to any stock. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. One quick example again. Okay, I'm sure everyone will now quickly correlate. Now I want correct answers. Fatafat answers चाहिए अभी. Gambler's fallacy का. Okay, now what would happen if you remember when market bottomed out last March 2020, when markets bottomed out, and जब market ऊपर जाने लगे, what did people say? Oh, Nifty is at 11,000, almost close to previous highs. Almost close to previous highs. अब तो नीचे आएगा. Then market again went up. Market at 12,500. Now all time high. Market at 13,000, all time high. Market at 14,000, all time high. अब तो नीचे जाएगा. Market went up to 14,500. अब तो नीचे जाएगा. Market at 15,000. अब तो नीचे जाएगा. Okay, what is this? अब तो पक्का गिरेगा. Exactly. What is this? What is it? Up to pakka girega. Up to pakka girega is gambler's fallacy. Why? इतना थोड़ी ना back to back ऊपर जाएगा. अरे try to understand the fundamentals also. Try to understand why it is going down, why it is going up. See, I agree that 100% times you might not get a reason for that. Okay, sometimes it's just bare emotions that drive the market. Okay, but Anurag has given a very correct answer. It could be like FIS, foreign institutional investors were pumping money in the market, because of which the markets are going up. It could be that many people are actually, many companies are actually giving good results, better than expected results. That is why markets are going up. It could be there could be a lot of reasons why this could happen. So the whole point is that don't fall in for the gambler's fallacy. Don't fall in for the emotions. Try to do your own research. Okay. Why does this happen? Why does this gambler's fallacy happens? Now let's try to go into this why ka point. Okay. Because once markets have gone up, people will start taking short positions. Once market has gone down, people will immediately start taking long positions. The problem is that all the people want quick money. They believe that stock market में एक बार पैसा डाल दिया ना, तो 25 दिन में पैसा double types. They believe that will happen. Okay, everyone wants quick money, and that is where your emotions are going to be hit. That is where you are going to stop thinking logically. That's where your research is going to fall back, and that is exactly, Divyanshi says it, patience is lacking. The moment patience khatam ho gaya, you're not going to make money in the stock market. Okay, it has to be research, it has to be patience. I'll again quote a very nice thing. I was reading one of the interviews. I'm sure everyone knows who is Jeff Bezos. And Jeff Bezos was having a word with Warren Buffett. Two great people were talking to each other. Jeff Bezos asked Warren Buffett that your investment thesis is so simple. I'm sure you might have heard about Warren Buffett says that he believes in the buy right, sit tight category. What is buy right, sit tight? Invest in good stocks and stay invested. Invest in good stocks, stay invested. Value investing, absolutely. Okay, it should be a long term thing, not आज buy किया फिर बेचा फिर buy किया फिर बेचा, वैसे नहीं. Value investing. So Jeff Bezos asked Warren Buffett that your investment thesis is so simple. Why doesn't everyone copy you? Okay, why doesn't everyone copy you? At that time, Warren Buffett replied that because no one copies me, because no one wants to get rich slowly. Such a fantastic answer. Warren Buffett said that no one wants to copy my style because no one wants to get rich slowly. And if you know this, it's coming up. This same piece of information is coming up in one of my upcoming YouTube videos next week or maybe next week. When I was researching for that YouTube video, I came across this, that whatever wealth Mr. Warren Buffett has, a majority of his wealth has come up after he crossed the age of 60. Majority of his wealth was built after he crossed 60. That is what I came across while doing the research. So everyone is after quick money. And because everyone is after quick money, this gambler's fallacy plays in. Okay. Yes, Utkar says almost 96% of his current wealth is after. Aha, kya baat hai? Lokesh, hold is gold. Kya baat hai? Benefit of compounding. You can name it so many things. It's all about buying right, sitting tight, controlling your emotions, believing in value investing. So many points. If you take into consideration, then and only then you will be in a position to stay away from this gambler's fallacy and make wealth in the longer run. Okay. So I believe that this is what I had to tell you in today's session. I hope you enjoyed the session. You might have certain questions. I'm open for a Q&A session. I'm glad people are saying amazing. I hope you enjoyed a lot. Ma'am, please come to our college. आएंगे कभी. Just pray that the lockdown is over at some point of time. I would surely love to come down. Pune is so like very bad right now. Thank you. Okay, great. So informative. Thanks a lot. Amazing session. Thank you. Best session. Thank you. Okay, nice. Please extend your session. I would have loved to, but I have some other commitments as well. Okay, Ronak, how do we go? Best session till far. Ronak, how do we go about? Do I pick up random questions from the chat, or would you be sorting out the questions and giving them to me? How do we proceed for the next like 10 minutes for the Q&A session? Ronak or Amrita? Shall I pick sessions? Shall I pick the questions myself or what?
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Now I'll start taking questions. What are your views on crypto? Oof. First question is Bitcoin, crypto. What is the future of cryptocurrency? Right now, talking about the future of cryptocurrency is it's just of I believe, I feel like, something like that. Okay. उसका कोई ठोस आंसर नहीं है फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग. ओके, क्यों? क्योंकि अपना गवर्नमेंट खुद ही उसके ऊपर एक पक्का स्टैंड नहीं ले रहा है. गवर्नमेंट बीच में बोलता है हम बैन करेंगे क्रिप्टो करेंसी को, कभी बोलता है कि नहीं ठीक है चलेगा, फिर सुप्रीम कोर्ट के कोई कोई डिसीजंस आते हैं. इट्स अ बिग टॉपसी टर्वी right now. But I believe that if certain regulations are brought in place, okay, then I feel that there is a great chance that crypto might really boom in the next few years. I'm saying not tomorrow, not day after tomorrow. Okay, because just because मैम ने बोला crypto will boom, चलो सब चालू हो गए, crypto में invest करना गलत. Okay, I'm telling you over a longer period of time. Okay, I know, yes, WazirX coin rose by more than 100%, agreed, but have you seen bear runs in crypto? See, I have invested in crypto. If you ask me, have I invested in crypto? Yes, I have invested in crypto. I've invested only in Bitcoins, majorly in Bitcoin. Okay, but I have invested only that much amount. Even if it zeroes down, I'm okay with that. So एक example बताती हूँ. आज भगवान की कृपा से मेरे लिए एक 20-25 हजार का लॉस हो गया तो भी मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. मेरी रातों की नींद नहीं उड़ जाएगी. Even if I lose 25,000 in the market in one day, I will feel bad for sure, because I'm losing out on my hard-earned money. But it is not like I will not be able to sleep. That is my risk-taking capacity. So I can invest in Bitcoins up to 25,000. But if you invest 25,000 in Bitcoins, if you are not able to, digest that loss, as a student, आपकी तो नींद उड़ सकती है 25,000 से, right? So if you want to invest in crypto, first I believe that you should start learning about cryptos first. Okay, मैंने बोला ऐसे emotions, क्या बोलते लोग, इथेरियम इतने से बढ़ गया, WazirX coin इतने से बढ़ गया, चलो मैं भी कर लेती हूँ. Doji coin, absolutely. Just because people are talking about that, बढ़ेगा, हाँ बढ़ेगा. Don't do that. First you do your own analysis. First you do your own research. Okay, just because WazirX coin boomed does not mean that it will boom always. Those who have seen bear cycles in cryptos, I have seen cryptos go down by 60%. I've seen cryptos go down by 70%. और तब सब लोग बोलने लगते हैं क्रिप्टो तो फालतूगिरी है, क्रिप्टो तो भंगार है, crypto is a scam. All these words will start coming in the moment you see that cryptos are not doing good. So always remember, there is going to be a crypto bear market today, tomorrow, after 1 year, after 2 years, after 3. कभी तो आएगा ना bear market. And जब गिरता है ना क्रिप्टो तो बहुत बेकार गिरता है. I've seen that. जितना खराब स्टॉक मार्केट नहीं गिरेगा ना, उससे डबल स्पीड में, उससे 3 times स्पीड में क्रिप्टो मार्केट गिरता है. Okay, so what is important is that you should invest only that much amount which you are okay losing. Okay, तो many students ask me ये अमाउंट कैसे डिटरमाइन करेंगे. सो आप खुद ऐसे सोचो कि मान के चलो आप आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ कहीं खाना खाने के लिए जाते हैं, तो फ्रेंड्स के साथ खाना खाने के लिए गए तो 300-400 रुपए तो एक टाइम का बिल आएगा पर हेड. अच्छी जगह पे खाना खाने गए तो, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट रोड साइड पानीपुरी गोलगप्पा. ओके, बट अच्छी जगह पे जाएंगे तो 300-400 तो एटलीस्ट यू विल स्पेंड. So 300-400, if you're okay with spending, invest that amount in Bitcoin, invest that amount in crypto. Okay, if you invest that, and I call that as a party fund. Those who have been watching my YouTube channel, okay, you might have known this concept. Acha, Deepika says, I remember your saving wala video. Yes, Deepika, I'm glad you're people. So I will talk about my channel also. Wait. So important is that जितना आपको लगता है ना उतना पैसा गया तो भी मुझे फर्क नहीं गिरता है, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. That much amount you can invest in crypto. Okay, so number one, try to gain knowledge. By the way, I have put out a video on my YouTube channel that how to invest in crypto. I mean, what is crypto? Basics of cryptocurrency. I have already put up on my channel. Okay, so I request everyone to go to my YouTube channel and you can watch that. It's a little bit long video, somewhere around 16 to 17 minutes, but yes, it will give you good analysis, good understanding about what is cryptos. So surely you can watch that. And if you like my channel, then wo kya hota hai? Like, share, subscribe, which I generally don't say on my channel, but you can subscribe, you can hit the like button or whatever. Okay. Madhav Luthra asks, ma'am, why do CAs have an edge in investing? I don't believe so. I don't believe every CA will have an edge in investing. Even there are so many people who are not CAs who have an edge in investing. I'm sure everyone has heard about Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. What is his educational qualification, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala? Anyone knows Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's educational qualification? CA, correct. कोई तो BCom बोला, 5th pass. अरे बाबा नील 5th pass तो हुआ ही होगा ना कभी ना कभी. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is a chartered accountant. Okay. But do you know who is one of the gurus of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala? One of the gurus of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is Mr. Damani. Okay. Yes. And Mr. Damani was not a chartered accountant. He is not a chartered accountant. Porinju Elliott is again a different investor. Mr. Damani is not a chartered accountant. So it is not necessary that a person has to be a CA to have an edge in stock market. Okay. आप पढ़ाई तो कभी भी कर सकते हो. I'll tell you frankly, ठीक है, I am a CA. I cleared CA when I was 21, 22 in the first attempt. I cleared CA. Okay. But I'll tell you honestly that we had only one chapter about stock market. One chapter in all 5 years of CA, whatever I learned. Not even one subject. तो वैसे देखा जाएगा तो हमको तो स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में कुछ भी पढ़ाया नहीं जाता है. Whatever I learned after becoming a CA, majority things I learned. And by actually starting investing, धीरे धीरे इन्वेस्ट कर करके, थोड़ी गलतियां करके, थोड़ी अच्छी चीजें करके, that's how I learned slowly and steadily. Okay, so don't be under the impression यार मैंने तो CA नहीं करा है, अब मैं कैसे करूंगी? No, can't happen. I mean that's not correct. Okay. Okay, ma'am, how to invest in stock market as we don't have any knowledge about stock market? Hardik asks that we don't have any knowledge about stock market. How do we invest in stock market then? Okay, देखो आपको सही बताओ तो नॉलेज लेना है ना तो कहीं से भी ले सकते हैं. You can read, okay, पर फिर इतना कौन पढ़ेगा? तो I am that type of person who loves audio visual rather than reading. तो मुझे तो अच्छा लगता है audio visual क्या होता है? तो आपका YouTube. Okay, so if you want to learn about any term in stock market, okay, so in that case what you can do, just type out that term. So for example, if you don't know what is CAGR, you might have heard about CAGR space Rachna Ranade, तो आ जाएगा मेरा वीडियो. IRR नहीं पता, IRR space Rachna Ranade, आ जाएगा मेरा वीडियो. Today I'm going to put up a channel, I'm going to put up a video on my channel which is on bees. Okay, there are many videos on my channel, but bees ka was asked by so many people. They said we have heard about Nifty bees, we have heard about bank bees, we have heard about gold bees, but ये bees क्या है यही पता नहीं था. Okay, so I've put up a video on bees which will be up on my channel today at 9 p.m. So that is where you can get about stock market knowledge, or you can read a lot of books. What you can do is you can just visit my website rachnaranade.com. I'm not sure if I can type out something. Kyunki I'm sure what will be the next question. Ma'am, can you tell us some books which are good for us? So I'm just trying to do it for everyone. See, goal घूम रहा है. Okay, okay, all panelists and attendees. अभी भी गोल घूम रहा है. चलो, if someone can type out the spelling rachnaranade.com, RACHANARANADE, rachnaranade.com, you can visit there. Okay, and once you visit my channel, once you visit my website, वहाँ पे you'll get a separate tab known as books. Okay, so books में you can find out various books that you can read. Thanks a lot, Ajay. Ajay has put up my website. वो ऊपर गया भी chat. But that is a website rachnaranade.com. वहाँ पे आपको कौन कौन सी बुक्स आप पढ़ सकते हो पूरा लिस्ट दिया हुआ है. ब्लॉग्स पढ़ने तो ब्लॉग्स भी है कई सारे that you can read. or if you want to learn it in a very systematic manner, I do have courses as well. I guess someone was telling me in the chat some time ago that I have done your technical analysis course. It was good. So thank you for that. Someone has also done my basics of stock market course. So I do have a lot of courses as well, like basics of stock market, fundamental analysis, technical analysis. Okay. So these courses will help you to understand about stock market in the most systematic manner. Okay. YouTube पे तो आपको कई सारे concepts मिल जाएंगे, लेकिन they are scattered. अगर आपको sequence में सीखना है, तो sequence में आपको मेरे courses से समझ में आएगा. Someone is saying Akshata या Akshat said that courses OP overpower. ठीक है. Okay. चलो. So you can always remember that investment in knowledge pays the best returns. Okay. Investment in knowledge pays the best returns. Acha, am I the only one who is teaching? No, there are so many people who would be teaching, but I just believe that, sometimes telling more and more examples, sometimes bringing that little bit of humor, आप जगह रहते हो lecture में, ठीक है, वो automatically उतना interest आ जाता है, and then you easily are able to grasp the concepts. That is what I believe is more important, right? So yes, absolutely. Chalo, any last quick question before I go off? People are saying bye bye Tata. Ho gaya. Just become a professor in our college. Okay, will markets fall? That is the last question that I'll be taking. Will markets fall? In the short term, there might be some falls. 500 points Nifty down, 1000 points Nifty down. It's okay. It's a part of the game. It's part and parcel of the game. If it is just going on and on, upar, that's a bad thing to happen. It has to be a little bit of kabhi khushi kabhi gum pattern में ही जाना चाहिए. Okay, एक ही चीज ध्यान में रखो, शॉर्ट टर्म में भले ही मार्केट नीचे जाए, ये अभी का जो सेंटेंस बोलने वाली हूँ हमेशा के लिए याद रखना, इंसान हो या स्टॉक मार्केट, जाना तो ऊपर ही है. अच्छा है ना, सही है ना, इंसान हो या स्टॉक मार्केट, जाना तो ऊपर ही है. So in the short term, it might be a little bit of up and down, but in the longer term, it is going to go up. That is for sure, right? So I guess that's it from my side. I had a big discussion with you all, and I'm glad that everyone was able to participate with so many chats. Thanks a lot. Over to you, Ronak.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for that really powerful masterclass. And I just have to say, I have never ever seen such an inflow of comments ever in my life. It was truly commendable. And you sure know how to deliver your charisma every time you take a masterclass wherever you go. And just for the record, along with the incredible number of participants we had, it's one of the highest we've been having. People were also watching on Facebook, on YouTube, and on an India Today app. So the reach was much higher. And thank you so much for coming to SRCC Business Conclave and making this event even bigger than before.
Thanks a lot, Ronak.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.